Okay, here's the first firing of the new boiler. And the pop-off valve is set at 75, so it's right on the money. I haven't put any coal in it yet because it didn't need it. It only took about an hour to steam it up to 75 pounds of pressure. On the pump, works good. A little bucket of water there. And this is the this valve here opens up so you don't get airlocks in the pump. And as soon as you get water, it's kind of hard to do with one hand here. Pumping out of that, you know there's no air in the system. You just close it, and now everything I'm pumping is pumping right into the boiler. And that's your water sight glass right there. Make sure that's the minimum water you want to have in there. I'm just using it to test it. And the firebox door is a little hot here. I'll get a glove. And the fire's going real good. Just cordwood, maybe 12-inch pieces. This is the draft for it. Right away the pressure gauge goes down a little bit. But it moves a lot of air through it if you want to heat up the boiler real fast. Of course, you got to have boiler pressure to do that. And the draft door is right here. Ash pan as well. Close it all the way down. Still pulls air in. That just helps build the fire when you want it to. Glove here. Tricoks are right here. You don't really need them to use them. Just there for decoration, I guess, more than anything. I mean, they work just fine. They're set properly. And of course the gauge. Pop-off valve. Again, it's set at 75. Is right on the side of it. This is a fill valve here, so you can just plug a hose right into it. With a quick change coupler. That's really good. You can use it to drain it as well. In freezing situation, of course, you want to make sure that the pump is drained of all water inside of it. It could freeze and break the casting, I suppose. Hear the whistle here. Ooh, it works good. Very nice whistle. 3-chime whistle. And then I've got hose and clamps coming. This is your engine out here. So that's where you'll hook your engine to. And like I say, it's only been steaming now for about an hour just with cordwood, and it's already up to 75 pounds. Actually, notice it came right back up to 75. I think in the shop here is the engine that you bought, and alternator. I've just got a deal of oil sitting in here. You will need some steam oil. I'll send the oiler full. The oiler is right here. I'll send that full of oil. Flywheel that turns the alternators right there. Forward and reverse, but you only need one direction. But if you ever wanted to use this engine for something else, you could. It's a nice engine. And I'll probably steam the boiler up and run the engine too for a number of hours before I ship it. So yeah. And here's the rest of the shop. Bridgeport's 3-axis milling machine. Here's my second op South Bend lathe, built in about 1950. And the Morisiki lathe, weighs about 6,000 pounds. Huge lathe, but does really large parts. This is Southwest machine, 2-axis CNC. Build almost all the parts on it. Okay, so that's about it. Pretty small. It's an old antique steam engine I've got. I'm going to build another one here pretty soon. And this is that little 12-inch boiler. So that's about it.